Chapter 10. Force, Work and Energy.
Force. We do many activities every day, which include picking up things, pushing, pulling, squeezing, moving, and many others. All these activities need force. Force is a push or a pull. A force is used to move objects, stop things from moving, change the direction or position of an object, and change the shape of an object. Kinds of forces. There are many kinds of forces. Muscular force. The force exerted by our muscles is called muscular force. We use this force to push, pull, or lift things. Gravitational force. The earth has its own force called gravitational force. It pulls everything towards it. Gravity cannot push things. If there were no force of gravity, we would have been floating in the air. Frictional force. The force that stops a moving object is called frictional force. Friction slows down or stops the movement of any object. If there were no friction, anything that started moving would never stop. A moving toy car stops after a certain distance because of frictional force. A frictional force always acts opposite to the direction of motion of the object. Mechanical force. The force used by machines for moving objects is called mechanical force. Cranes use mechanical force to lift heavy things. A bow uses a force to shoot an arrow. Can you name that force? Work. When a boy pushes a chair and it moves, work is scientifically said to be done. But if he sits and reads a book, scientifically, he did not do any work. Work is said to be done when it moves an object with the help of a force. But if an object does not move from its place, no work is said to be done. Simple machines. Sometimes we use tools like knife and a bottle opener to make our work easier and simpler. These tools are called simple machines. Simple machines are used to increase the speed of work, change the direction of force, and make work easier. There are different types of simple machines that we use in our daily lives. Lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wedge, and wheel, and axle are known as simple machines. Wheel and axle. Axle is a rod that is passed through the center of the wheel. It helps to move objects. In vehicles, wheels are always fitted on axle. Door knobs and roller skates make use of wheel and axle. Lever. It is used to move heavy objects, cut or open things and lift heavy things. When we use a bottle opener to open the lid of a bottle, the bottle opener acts as a lever. Hammer, seesaw, pair of scissors, and bottle opener are some examples of a lever. Pulley. A grooved wheel and a rope are used as pulley to raise up, lower down, or move a thing. People in villages take out water from the well using a pulley. Heavy items can be easily lifted by using a pulley in cranes. Inclined plane. It is a surface which connects lower and higher levels. An inclined plane is used at the back of a truck to load goods in it. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder or cone with a sharp pointed end. As it rotates, it moves forward. They are used in bottle caps and fountain pens. Wedge. A wedge has a slanting surface ending in a sharp edge. This helps to cut things. Axe, knife, chisel, and fork are wedges. Energy. Energy is the ability of a body to do work. All living things need energy to live and do daily life activities. Our body gets energy from the food we eat. Energy is required for cooking food, running factories, and lighting our houses. We get energy from different sources. Sun, wind, and fossil fuels are important sources of energy. The hot interior of the earth is also a source of energy. It is known as geothermal energy. Sun. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. We get solar energy in the form of light and heat. A solar cooker cooks food with the help of solar energy. Wind. Moving wind is used as a source of energy. The energy that we get from wind is called wind energy. A windmill uses the wind energy to generate electricity and extract underground water. Water. Flowing water is a source of tidal or hydro energy. Dams are built over fast flowing rivers to produce hydroelectricity. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like coal and petroleum have chemical energy stored in them. This energy is released when they are burnt. Petrol is used to move vehicles and coal is used for cooking food.